Zelle is a fast, free P2P payment service integrated into over 2,000 US bank and credit union apps. For example, Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. There is no standalone Zelle app as of 2025. It was discontinued in April 2025. You must enroll through your participating bank's mobile app or online banking. Prerequisites: have an eligible U.S. checking or savings account at a participating bank and a U.S. mobile number or email. Enrollment. Steps: open your bank's mobile app or log in to online banking. Navigate to Transfers, Pay and Transfer, or search for Zelle, often under Send Money. Select Get Started, Enroll, or Send Money with Zelle. Accept terms and conditions. Register a U.S. mobile number and/or email address. Verify with the one-time code sent via text or email. Select your eligible deposit account for sending, receiving. Complete any additional verification